fridge hums low when the night gets thick. It clicks 3 times when the clock hits 6. There's a glow from the back like a secret light, and the butter keeps shifting in the middle of the night. The eggs all whisper when the door swings wide, saying things I shouldn't hear, but they never lie. A soda can rolled out with a quiet thud, and said the milk's been scheming with the ketchup jug. I tried to ignore it, just grabbed my toast, but the jelly slid left like it saw a ghost, and the freezer moaned with a frosty breath, then muttered a warning that smelled like death. The broccoli blinked in Morse code dots and spelled out leave in the tater tots. A head of lettuce faked its own decay to sneak out the drawer and crawl away. My toaster swears I'm not insane, but the microwave's been acting strange. It only heats when the moon is blue and makes popcorn dance like it's got a clue. The fridge keeps notes in the ice cube tray, each cube a secret in a melting ballet. The meat drawer holds a frozen key that vibrates whenever I look at the TV. The dishwasher snitched, I heard it groan, and said the fridge ain't working alone. The blender tried to warn me too, till it blended itself in a panic stew. One night I woke with a hunger pain, heard whispers rising from the gas line gang. The stove said, "Child, don't open that door," but I had a craving I couldn't ignore. The light inside was soft and cold, like a lighthouse from some memory old. And deep in the back, behind the cheese, I saw my childhood stare at me. There was my trike with the rusted chain, the rain boots I wore in the acid rain, a shoebox full of Polaroids torn, and the peanut butter bear that cried when born. The fridge had kept them all this time, moments chill in a linear grind, and knew the parts of me I'd lost, traded for rules and paper and costs.